Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will start reteaching maths for standard 5 lesson number 13 triangles and quadrilaterals. Let's take a quick recap. Triangles and quadrilaterals. First thing, what are triangles? When three non-collinear points are joined together, we get a closed figure called triangle. Three non-collinear points means non-collinear means the lines which are not in a straight line, so any places, right? Quadrilateral is a closed figure made up of four line segments. So triangle has tree, quadrilateral has four sides did figure. So according, now we'll first do the triangle. When three non-collinear points are joined together, we get a closed figure triangle. So the points are A, B, C. Now it can be read as triangle ABC, triangle BCA, or triangle CBA. You can name it accordingly as whatever you want. And which will be the sides? Side AB, side BC, and side AC. The angles will be angle A, angle B, and angle C, also written as this BAC or CAB, where the required angle will be in the middle and the other 2 points on the sides. So the three angles and the three sides of a triangle are together are called the 6 elements of a triangle. The three sides and the three angles are the 6 elements of the triangle. Important classification of triangles. They are classified. Now there are 6 elements, that is 3 sides and 3 angles. So accordingly, the triangles are also classified on the basis of sides and the basis of angles. So let's see, on the basis of sides, if all 3 sides are equal, it is called as an equilateral triangle. If any 2 sides are equal, it is called as isosceles triangle. And if none of its sides are equal, that means all of different sides, it is called as a scalene triangle. So based on the sides, we have equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Next, let's see the classification of triangles on the basis of angles. Now we have which type of angles can we draw? Acute, right, and obtuse. So if a triangle has acute, that is less than 90 degrees, it is a acute angled triangle. If any one angle is 90 degrees, it is a right angled triangle. And if any one of the angle is more than 90 degrees, it is called as a obtuse angled triangle. So basically, classification of triangles can be based on sides and angles. For sides, it is equilateral, scalene, and isosceles triangles. And for angles, it is right angle, obtuse angle, and acute angled triangle. Let's revise about the two main properties of triangles. First property, the sum of 3 angles of a triangle equals to 180. Means any triangle, when you add all these, it has to come to 180. And based on this, if 2 angles are given and we have to find the third angle, we will do the sum total of 2 angles and minus from 180, we will get the third angle. The next sum property is the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. So based on this, we can find out whether we can form triangles or not. Let's see a few examples. Questions. Classify triangles according to the sides. Now we know that the triangles are classified according to scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. Now see the side, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeters. All sides are different, so it is a scalene triangle. 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7. All are equal, so it is a equilateral triangle. And last one, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So 2 sides are equal, so it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Similarly, classify the angles according, triangles according to the angles. Now angles, we know it is right angle, obtuse angle, and acute angle. So now out of this 90 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, one angle is 90. So it is a right angled triangle. 60, 40, 80 all are less than 90 degrees. So it is an acute angle triangle. And 110, 30, 40. So one angle is obtuse. So it is a obtuse angled triangle. Next sum. If in triangle PQR, angle P is 50, angle R is 60, find angle Q. So we know the property, sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R will be 180 degrees. Angle P is 50 degrees. Angle Q we have to find, and angle R is 60 degrees. So we add this two. So angle Q plus 6 plus 5, 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So angle Q will be 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. It will be 70 degrees.